Ah, quel plaisir d'avoir baisé le petit enregistrement de cette minute là. Bah, j'ai voulu mettre en pause et j'ai coupé le live. J'ai coupé le. Bon, le live c'est normal, mais j'ai coupé le. L'enregistrement, c'était pas volontaire. Bon, on n'a pas fait grand chose. Hein. On m'a fait les 3 trésors de grange vu que les animations sont longues. Non, on en a fait 4. 3, 4. Par contre, ce qui m'inquiète, c'est que je trouve qu'il y en a beaucoup. Apparemment, il y en a 15. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. C'est bien ce qui me semblait. J'ai un peu peur. Pupidipidup.
Turned around, and it is safe to do so.
This is so exciting. Hopefully it's the car we think it is. You want to document this? We can film it, then look back at the progress. Ready?
Petite notif TikTok.
Oh, Nissan Pow! Yuji, this has to be the car, right? It looks pretty classic.
Yes, definitely the car we heard about.
How about both? You know this car sold out just 3 months after pre-orders went live? The retro-futuristic design is very appealing, I have to say.
In pre-orders they were popular. I believe this one was well loved too, although it's been quite exposed to the elements. But once it's fixed, it'll be perfect to explore the countryside in.
Alright, let's get this out of here and get to work.
Après, je me dis, des voitures à rénover comme ça doit être terriblement long en plus.
We need some time to fix it up. I'll call you when it's ready.
The 3 of us might very well uncover a great mystery here. You should record this. The rumors were true. The Peugeot 205 T16. Not so
What
elusive
the
anymore.
fuck?
What a find! It had been misplaced between rally stages, attending as a showpiece. No one knew where it went, diminished to rumors of sightings.
Mais non.
The 205 was a fierce competitor back in the 80s, right? Had a good few wins under its belt?
Absolutely. In fact, the most successful Group B vehicle. The T16 was a wonder, all-wheel drive and powerful. For regulations, Peugeot was required to make 200 units, all inspected in the same place. I can only imagine what a sight that was.
Well, this car definitely needs some TLC. Looks like it was left in a rush.
Incroyable ça. J'ai hâte de pouvoir la récupérer
So
celle-ci.
it'll be a little while.
J'espère qu'il va y avoir d'autres pépites. Je sais pas vraiment ce qu'il y a comme voiture à récupérer. Mais je pense qu'on va avoir le droit à quelques petites masterclass. J'espère.
I'll give you a call.
Hey, I think there will be an interesting find in here. Want to document it with some footage? Ooh, a Mitsubishi Montero Evolution. An absolute dominator of endurance rallies.
Yes, exactly. In '97, this model marked the start of an incredible run for Mitsubishi at Dakar. Apparently, this one in particular performed well.
The damage to that front bumper alone is an indication of an incredible endurance career.
Almost fully destroyed. The aren't delicate, though. The Montero model won 12 Dakar rallies in the 2000s. They were surpassed at one point, but bounced back after further developing the truck.
Well, it looks like you've got your work cut out restoring this off-roading monster. Let's load it.
En plus, je suis sûr que dans la vraie vie, des garages comme ça où il y a des véhicules abandonnés comme ça, c'est mythique. Je suis sûr qu'il doit y en exister pas mal. C'est ça le pire. Bon, là, il nous en reste 4 à récupérer.
I really cannot wait for this one. This find will be the stuff of a legend. Get a camera, get this on record. I can't believe it. The Honda NSXR GT. Do you know how rare this is?
Rare indeed. Only 5 were made, and this one looks like it found its way to an owner, but with no official records on how or to who.
Well, it's in great condition. Looks like whoever managed to get it truly loved the car.
It has a few miles to its name and incredibly looked after. It's mechanically a duplicate of the NSXR, which is rare in itself. The GT counterpart, extraordinarily unobtainable, built to improve their competitiveness in the Super GT class.
Talk about one of a kind. I can't wait to see this on the road. Let's get going.
All right, we'll let you know when it's ready.
Elle y était celle-ci sur le 5, je me souviens plus. Je sais que sur le 4 je l'ai vue. Mais alors sur le 5 ça me parle pas du tout. Il reste 3 courses à faire, comment ça?
The car's in good condition, but we'll still need to give it a good valet.
Ready for the big reveal? Get a camera to record. You'll be glad you did. Would you look at that? The Porsche 930. Not looking too bad at all.
Now this has truly impressed me. Being one of the fastest production cars, it gained a huge popularity in the street racing scene. Look at that rear engine, May. This one particularly.
C'est fou les
heavily
détails qui sont mis
modified.
dessus.
Yes, I heard of a car like this being engineered to reach the highest speeds in Japan. Apparently, it has pieces from the Porsche 962.
A car like this could effortlessly cut through the streets of Tokyo in a flash. I have to say, as soon as I saw the color, I recognized it. It's somewhat notorious amongst fans, but this popularity ultimately led to its retirement.
Wow, it looks like we owe it to car culture to restore this Porsche. Yuji, you ready?
Eh bah on va avoir une sacrée paire de caisses là quand même.
Okay,
Hein.
we've got the car at Yuji's.
Ok, il nous manque celle-ci. On va choper des voitures bonus. Faut que je regarde ce qui manque pour les 3 courses là, ça me
Even though the engine is incredibly tuned,
Ça me
it needs
perturbe.
work. I'll give you a ring when it's done.
Hey, wanna get some footage? This will be a mystery solved if we found it. Oh, it's the missing car. Ford Sierra
Oh, elle est
Cosworth
en bête d'état par
RS500.
contre.
Still with the container and everything.
Looks like whoever obtained the container attempted to extract the car and damaged it. This car dominated in the late 80s, truly the peak of the touring era. Once retired, it was meant to be shipped out to America, but it was lost in transit.
Wow. Shipped, lost, and misplaced. It's a shame it never made it back out of that box. It was a great competitive car.
Yes, originally built to push the speed of the Sierra Cosworth, it had a great amount of race potential. It's a true collector's item now.
Let's get it back in mint condition. Fix up some of this unfortunate damage.
Franchement ça va, elle est quand même en bête d'état. Hein. Tu la nettoies, juste tu restaures 2-3
We're
trucs
taking the
dessus,
car
mais
back
en
to
vrai...
Yuji's. I'll give you a call once we.
Ah ouais, elle est dans un bête d'état celle-ci. Oh, j'aime bien ce que je viens de voir. J'avais pas fait gaffe, il y avait le nom des voitures en fait dessus. J'avais même pas fait gaffe.
Fixed it up.
Nissan.
This will be a special one for you, right, Yuji? We should definitely capture it. Got your camera? Now this is a real special find. 71 Nissan Skyline GTR. Recognize it, Yuji?
I'd recognize this car from a million kilometers away. This is like stepping into a time capsule. The Hakusuka Skyline. My mentor truly poured all his time into this car. Raced it too.
These were really sought after, weren't they? Altered specifically for handling and aerodynamics.
Yes, May. These models were built to be truly competitive. The over-fenders became a thing of style, too. And didn't this car see victory after victory? It had real glory days. I can't believe it's still intact. Even his workbench is in the same place.
Let's finish what your mentor started, right, Yuji? It'll be a full circle moment.
Ok, c'est pour ça on les a pas tous.
Yuji needs to give this one some extra care.
Ça explique tout. Alors on va vérifier, mais... En fait, ce qui nous nique, c'est qu'il faut des tampons. Et au niveau des tampons, eh ben, on n'en a pas des masses. Des tampons, ouais, il nous en manque 3 encore. Donc, ouais, il va falloir qu'on fasse les histoires. Déjà, les histoires vont bien nous monter. Moteur et batterie. De débit d'air. Comment est-ce qu'on fait ça? Compresseur. Ok, bon là ce sera ça, je jouerai juste avec les customs en vrai, ça va, c'est pas trop chiant. Ok, du coup on va désactiver ça. On va juste mettre the fuck, attendez. Bon, voilà, petit souci. Ce que je comprends pas, c'est que... Comment il peut nous manquer 3 courses? Ça, c'est un mystère.
With the rebuild.
Bon, bah écoutez. Peut-être que je relance ça. Ouais, bah écoutez. Pierre, tu sais quoi, on va couper ça. Puis on va commencer. Est-ce qu'on a accès? Attends, c'est quoi? On va faire du sélectif. Il nous manque ça. Il faut qu'on fasse ça, ça. À la limite, on va mettre les sites. C'est pas très grave. Là, il faut qu'on aille récupérer toutes les voitures bonus. On va essayer de faire ça.
I'll let you know when it's ready.
Oh.
2005 Ford GT. Hopefully the salty sea air hasn't ruined the paintwork. It's in decent condition, but could do with a full valet. Now this is how you do a tribute. Redesigning a Le Mans classic. I could see myself driving this for 24 hours.
Magnifique ça.
Looking forward to seeing what it can do. If
1
it
sur
was
9.
mine, I'd be taking this on one huge.
Magnifique.
Japan road trip. It's built for endurance. Enjoy
C'est
it.
chiant parce que du coup
It's
c'est
a
en
head turner
plein
for
milieu
sure.
de la cam. Je vais mettre le truc comme ça en espérant que ça cache pas trop. Voilà, ça je sais qu'il fallait le faire alors. Hop. On n'en parle plus. Aller sur le parking, c'est ça? Figaro 1991. Ça me
Hey,
fume à chaque fois là avec son
wait,
petit seau.
that's the same color, same everything as my uncle's Figaro. Did he? Is this his? Now, I know what color it was because the Figaro came in 4 colors, one for each season.
On va pas la piloter celle-ci.
All right, it's in your garage. Talk about classy. Enjoy it. Perfect for an amble around the forest roads.
Magnifique ça. Ok, ensuite on en a une là. Oh, j'aime bien ce que je viens de voir. J'aime bien ce que je viens de voir.
Maybe park up outside a cafe in the city. A real leisure car.
Une très vieille RX-7. 1985.
Who'd leave a car like this all the way out here? With an engine sound like the RX-7, it is a complete crime that it's been silent for so long. Ready to get to work? Good as new, right? Honestly,
Oh là là.
I'm looking forward to seeing, well, hearing it in action.
Fire it up. Such a classic sports car. Actually, thinking about it now,
Oh
the
là là.
RX-7 was the first in a line of fast, sporty Mazdas. A pioneer, really.
Le style est très rétro hein, forcément, mais putain quelle masterclass d'avoir sorti ça quand même. Même l'intérieur en vrai il est pas... Bon tu sens que c'est vieillot forcément, mais en vrai franchement je trouve pas ça si vieux que ça tu vois comparé à son année de sortie quand même. Ok. Ah, par contre c'est marrant c'est que... Il y a des zones mais pas ici. Alors ma suspicion c'est... On n'est jamais rentré dans le stade. C'est un truc qui a rien à voir avec les collections, hein, mais il y a un truc qui me tatillonne comme. Ouais, 114. On nous fera les panneaux aussi après, mais là. Ah non, je pensais qu'on allait débloquer un petit panneau, tu vois, comme ces petits trucs là. Parce que je me suis dit, ici, ça paraît vachement vite quand même. Mais non, malheureusement. Une Porsche 959. Et ça avance lentement, mais sûrement. Putain. C'est que ça drift quand même. Bon, bah, il est bien caché en plus. Bon, bah, il est magnifique.
Isn't that a beauty? Even coated in years of dirt. A perfect Porsche 959. Completely iconic. And completely ready for a clean. Would you look at that shine? It really is the least we could do for such a groundbreaking car back in its prime.
Nice. Okay, let's see what it can do. The 959 was the supercar that set a production precedent.
Magnifique. Putain, on en a pas mal en haut, il y en a 3 récupérés là. Par contre, dans cette zone là, tu vois, il n'y a rien du tout. Dodge Charger. pas jusqu'à quelle heure je vais stream. Déjà 21h passé.
Accident with its all-wheel drive. Gotta say, it's still got that futuristic appeal it had back in the 80s.
Boum. Pareil, emblématique de Forza Horizon 4, si je dis pas de bêtises. C'est dans le 4 qu'on peut la conduire au
Right
début.
now, you couldn't tell, huh? Let's get it clean. That's more like it. This
Avec les
beauty
feux
has to
qui
be
s'ouvrent à l'avant comme ça, juste avec
recognizable and classic
la
on
fermeture de
every
haut vers le bas, ça c'est incroyable ça. Une catégorie C. Oh, le bruit est magnifique.
Yeah, see how it drives. The 69 Charger just oozes cool, right?
Niveau 4, il vient déjà récupérer des voitures bonus lui. Après, tu me diras, chacun avance comme il veut, mais une Nissan Safari. Ça me parle, mais je vois pas à quoi ça ressemble. C'est un délire de 4x4 ou ça a rien à voir?
Face though.
Si,
It
si,
laid
c'est
the
bien ça.
groundwork for Dodge's Daytona too.
Ça me parlait, mais j'étais pas sûr.
I know these models are built for some serious off-roading, but not like this. Ready to breathe some life back into this old Safari? Scrubs up nice, huh? So clean, it almost looks unnatural on a car built for dirt.
Pareil, celle-ci, on va l'entreposer. Hop, ensuite on a celle-ci, une BMW. Oh! Alors ça va dépendre de quelle année elle est. Est-ce que ça va être une très très vieille? En vrai, ce serait bien une vieille de collection.
You know where it is?
Ce serait beau.
Everywhere can be
Oh
considered a
oui,
road in the
je vois laquelle
Safari.
c'est.
From the waterside to Rocky Mountains, the world is your oyster.
Magnifique. Très vieille BM ça.
The M1. 1981, I think. I wonder how long it's been here. Well, time to roll our sleeves up and give this showstopper a glow up. Wow, it's like we reversed time. Shame that we haven't. This model has quite the history.
Like driving a time capsule. You think for a German
Ça,
manufacturer,
c'est des
there's
véhicules
some-
qui nous serviront dans les championnats, c'est même sûr. Donc là, il nous reste une Evo 3 et une Strato. Putain la vache. Il reste deux petites pépites. Les deux dernières. Elles vont être magnifiques.
distinct Italian design going on here? Well, you would not be wrong. Let me guess. Straight to a road race in the M1?
Ah, on a déjà détruit un. Je sais plus ce qui reste à détruire en éléments de décor. Oh. Magnifique.
74 Stratos. Great find. But ugh, my heart. Let's get it clean.
C'est qu'à mon avis, là, ça fait très longtemps qu'elle est dans la neige, alors
On the gravel
je la
and
démarre
dirt.
pas comme ça, je pense.
Stratos has real miles on the clock. But cars like this don't want to be in storage.
Des voitures qui sont faites
Great.
pour
Let's see what it
hurler.
can still do. What an eye-catching Italian rally icon. You know it dominated the mid-70s with 3 world championships?
Donc, plus la petite Evo.
In a row? That's a bit of motorsport history there. Now, go find some dirt.
Wow. If this isn't a picturesque scene. I know the Evo was built for tearing through rally routes, but this looks like a postcard. Ready to get stuck in? Restored to its former glory. Mitsubishi really works
Succès
wonders.
Xbox déverrouillé.
To be a rally driver in the 90s.
Ouais, ça va, les voitures bonus, franchement, il y a des belles pépites quand même. Hein.
You may need to invest in a co-driver here. A real rally performer fully restored and back on the road. That's something to be proud of. It's so satisfying knowing that it'll be out on the open roads again.
Ok, bon. Déjà. Ok. Ok. What the fuck? Maserati, 80 000 crédits, un klaxon, des lunettes et encore des crédits. Et encore des sous et toujours des sous. super wheel spin. Why not? Petit badge. On commence à bien collectionner les badges, c'est pas mal. Ok, donc les voitures de collection, c'est bon. Donc déjà on va venir déblayer ça. Ah mais c'est quoi, on va faire petit boulot. Alors est-ce que petit boulot il y a un espèce de truc permanent? Alors attends, what the fuck? Promotion obtenue. Il y a 9 promos à obtenir. Répondez aux exigences pour gagner des crédits supplémentaires. What the fuck? Est-ce que c'est un truc de... J'ai un peu peur.
Alright, couldn't be any
Livreur
more simple.
débutant.
You'll
Il
get
faut
notified
faire
that a restaurant has some
6750
orders ready.
crédits.
Go pick them up, drop them off to customers, and try not to keep them waiting.
Écoutez, on va essayer. On va faire un petit test. Course. Oh la tenue de livreur. Ça a changé Forza, tu vois, on gagne pas suffisamment. Ça rapporte pas...
Confirmation of food order received.
Oh.
Route has been charted to pickup location.
Hey, I'm Rakuraka's delivery assistant. We've partnered with the Horizon Festival to bring customers food in style. I'll relay any
Le
customer
livreur
restaurant
express.
or store requests during your deliveries.
400 meters. Turn left. Turn left. Recalculating route. You have arrived at your destination.
Here.
Order pickup complete. Your route is set to the nearest drop-off point. In 200 meters, turn right. Turn right. In 100 meters, turn left.
I'm looking forward to this.
Delivery complete. I have set your route to the next delivery location. Turn right.
Ouh. Oh putain, on peut pas passer à travers. Oh la blague.
In 100 meters,
Ah, j'ai bouffé un mur, j'étais pas prêt là.
in 100 meters,
J'ai
turn
j'ai
right.
pris un stop, il était net.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Ah, c'est quoi cette zone? Tu sais, parce qu'il y a plein de routes un peu à droite à gauche, mais en fait, je peux en prendre aucune. T'es super limité.
In 200 meters, turn left. Turn left.
Oh, perfect, thank you.
Customer order delivered. The final order destination has been added to your route.
Je pense que j'ai fait de la merde un peu là, non? Je vais jamais y arriver. Hein. Bah ouais, c'est mort.
arrived at your destination.
I'm looking forward to this.
Ouais. Ouf.
Good work. You can pick up another job if you want to.
Hey, nice job. You earned yourself a promotion. Keep this up, and you'll be climbing the ranks.
C'est plus le même véhicule là. C'est la promotion qui fait ça?
Delivery order ready. I have changed the set route to the pickup destination.
Ça a changé les livreurs. Hein. Bon, je sais pas ce que c'est comme moteur pour que ça prenne 14 000, mais... Putain, on sent on dirait un moteur style...
Turn left.
Je sais pas, je vais pas dire des conneries, mais... J'ai l'impression que sur une RX-7, tu peux faire un swap moteur où il y a le même son, genre. Je sais pas ce que c'est exactement, mais...
200 meters. Turn right. Turn right. In 100 meters. Turn left. Recalculating route.
Imagine dans la rue, t'entends un son de fou, tu vois ça passer devant.
Turn left. Turn left. You have arrived at your destination.
Here, thanks.
All right, the customer has a request with their order. They're an aspiring wristband holder and want you to show off your skills on your delivery route.
In 400 meters. Turn left. Turn left. In 100 meters. Turn left. In 400 meters. Turn left. Turn left.
This smells great. Thank you. Customer's happy. Want to take on another delivery?
C'est carré ça. Non, c'est juste en fonction des livraisons, en fait, t'as des véhicules différents.
The order of food is ready for pickup. I have set your route to the pickup location. Turn left. Turn around when it is safe to do so. In 200 meters, turn right. Turn right. You have arrived at your destination.
Thanks.
package collected. Current route has been set to the nearest customer location. Turn right. In 100 meters, turn right. Recalculating route. In 100 meters, turn right.
Thanks, driver.
Livraison express.
Customer order received. Your route has been updated to the next delivery location. Turn left. In 200 meters, turn right. Turn right.
Good job.
Faut juste espérer que la troisième soit pas 5 km quoi. En vrai sinon ça le fait.
Order delivery
Non ça va.
Your route has been altered to the final customer drop-off location. Turn left. In 400 meters, turn sharp left. Turn sharp left. Arrived at your destination.
Nickel.
That was quick.
15 secondes d'avance.
Nice going. We got more orders if you'd like to take them.
Looking good. You're really climbing up the Rakuraku ranks.
Ça grimpe très très vite. Ok. Allez vas-y continue. Ce sera un épisode spécial livraison.
Food orders ready. I have set your route to the pickup location in 100 meters. Turn left. In 400 meters, turn left. Turn left. In 200 meters, turn right. Turn right. Recalculating route. In 100 meters, turn left. 400 meters,
Limite à 50 ici. 40. On a 40 de toute façon ça va.
turn left. You have arrived at your destination.
Merde, presque. J'ai voulu me garer en marche arrière, j'ai pas réussi.
Here.
Order
Feu.
collected. Your route is set to the nearest delivery address. In 100 meters, turn right. In 400 meters,
Ah non, 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 on commence pas. Hein, tout le monde reste sur ses appuis, prêt à esquiver.
turn right. Turn right.
On va éviter les virages inutiles. On va aller jusque là. Là on tourne. On essaie de pas trop freiner. On se faufile.
Thank you, driver.
De rien. Et hop, on bombarde direct.
Package received by customer. I have set your route destination to the next delivery location. In 200 meters, turn left.
Ah ouais, ça va, c'est court, c'est rapide.
Turn left. In 200 meters.
Après, je sais pas s'il y a un palier max. Parce qu'évidemment, je me doute que de faire ça, déjà, ça va nous débloquer certains points.
Turn left.
Et honnêtement, c'est le but.
Thanks, driver.
Package delivery confirmed. I have updated the route to the final order drop-off point. Turn left. 200 meters, turn left. Turn left.
Oh, waouh! J'en ai vu des poteaux solides, mais alors lui... Ah, il est fait en béton armé, celui-là.
You have arrived at your destination.
This smells great, thank you.
Great. We have more orders ready if you want to take on another job.
Ah oui, ok, je viens de comprendre. Là, en gros, faut qu'on enchaîne les services. C'est des services par 3 en fait. Évidemment, le but, je pense, c'est de faire les 3 parce que ça te rapporte le plus.
The orders are ready. I have plotted your route to the pickup location. 100 meters, turn left.
On parle de la taille de la ligne d'échappement derrière. Genre Rikiki,
In 400 meters,
qui fait la taille de mon petit doigt. On est à fond là. Le moteur il va péter.
turn right. In 400 meters, turn left. Turn left. In 100 meters, turn right.
Même les yeux ils se rentrent dedans.
In 200 meters, turn right.
Il a dit left. Pourquoi on part à droite?
Right.
C'est moi qui ai mal compris. Mais...
You have arrived at your destination.
Suspicieux ce qu'il vient de...
Here's the order.
Allez, go, 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 go.
Collection confirmed. Route to the nearest delivery destination is
On a 1 minute 45.
turn right.
Et c'est long en plus.
In 400 meters, turn right. Turn right.
Attends, déjà, on a mis 45 secondes sur les minutes 45 pour un client. Comment c'est possible de faire 3 étoiles? À moins qu'ils soient collés les deux autres.
Delivery to customer confirmed. I have changed the route to your next location. In 200 meters, turn left. Turn left. In 100 meters, turn right.
Many thanks.
Ça va être chaud.
Customer delivery confirmed. Your route
Ah les chiens. En fait il aurait fallu partir derrière direct.
has been updated to the final order destination. In 100 meters, turn left.
Il te faut repartir dans l'autre sens, comme ça tu t'éloignes le plus possible. Allez où? Oh non mais j'y arriverai pas, impossible. Non c'est mort.
Thank you.
Ah trop dur. Je vois pas comment on aurait pu faire.
Nice. If you want to, you can go ahead and collect another delivery.
Attends mais c'est long de te monter non? Attends parce que là c'est le troisième passage, s'il y en a 9 ça va être super long. Hein.
Your delivery package is ready for collection. Route is set to pickup point. 200 meters, turn left. Turn left. Recalculating route. In 100 meters, turn left. In 400 meters, turn right. Turn right. In 200 meters, turn left. Turn left. In 100 meters, turn right. In 200 meters, turn right. Turn right. You have arrived at your destination.
It's ready.
Okay, a local street race enthusiast has placed this food order. Put in some impressive passes on the road and make their day.
In 100 meters, turn left. In 100 meters, turn right.
Ouais le but c'est de faire un frôlement enfoiré, elle a pas de me rentrer dedans.
In 200 meters, turn left.
Évidemment je dois recroiser des voitures, je vais en croiser aucune.
Turn left. In 200 meters, turn right. Turn right. Turn around when it is safe to do so. In 100 meters, turn left. In 200 meters, turn left. Turn left. In 400 meters, turn right. Turn right.
Ok.
Thank you, driver.
Good work. You can pick up another job if you want to.
Package confirmed. The route has been set to the pickup location. Turn around when it is safe to do so. Recalculating route. Turn around when it is safe to do so. In 400 meters, turn sharp left. Turn sharp left. In 100 meters, turn right. You have arrived at your destination.
Great.
J'espère
Thanks.
que ce soit pas trop compliqué.
So, this order was made by a festival goer. Put on a show for them.
In 400 meters, turn left. Turn left. In 100 meters, turn right. In 200 meters, turn left. Turn left.
Je sais pas combien faut faire.
I'm looking forward to this. Customer's happy. Want to take on another delivery?
Ok, ça va. Bon, là, la première, elle est pas très rentable. Hein.
The food order is ready for collection. Route to pickup has been plotted. Turn left. In 400 meters, turn sharp left. Turn sharp left. In 100 meters, turn right. You have arrived at your destination.
Ready for delivery.
Hey, the customer wants their order delivered with a particular flair. Think of something out of the box and give it all you got.
Non, j'avais pas vu faire des pauses carambolages.
In 400 meters, turn right.
Il en faut 25. Je suis sur l'endroit où il n'y a rien à casser quoi.
In 400 meters, turn right. In 100 meters, turn right.
Ouais bon c'est mort.
Looks delicious. Thanks, driver.
Fais chier, j'ai un peu le seum, je m'en serais rendu compte dès le début, tu vois.
Nice going. We got more orders if you'd like to take them.
Dommage. Ah, pas ouf, pas ouf. Normalement celle-ci doit bien nous rapporter.
The delivery package is ready. Your destination is now the pickup point. In 100 meters, turn right. In 400 meters, turn right. Turn right. Turn around when it is safe to do so. You have arrived at your destination.
Okay, thanks.
Hey, we've got a request with this order. Customer needs their
Une
curry
minute.
as hot as possible, so get their delivery to them stat.
In 200 meters, turn right. Turn right. In 400 meters, turn left. Turn left.
Non. Non bah là. Pas sûr que il va passer, hein, je m'en fous.
In 200 meters, turn right. In 200 meters, turn right. Turn right. In 200 meters, turn left. Turn left.
C'est trop dur, une minute.
Perfect. Thank you.
Ça y est, vous voulez pas faire des courses de 30 secondes aussi?
Great. We have more orders ready if you want to take on another job.
Ah ouais, bien sûr, c'est impossible. Oh, bah, pff. Allez, fin de service. Quel merdier.